Hi, my name is Sheila Ochsner, and I'm a real estate consultant in Katy, Texas. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. My intention is to post once a week. Many times it's either Monday or Tuesday, but there have been a few times I've done it later in the week. But hit the subscribe button, that way you can follow and get content and help you buy or sell your home. Because this is all about you. It is not about me. It's not about your agent. It is about you and your goals, and I want to help you get there. So today's topic is curb appeal, and we hear a lot about curb appeal because it is very, very important. You do not get a second chance to make a first impression, and that is very true when you're selling your home. So there are some things that you can do, DIY things that are not costly, that will help make your home look its best, no matter what it really looks like on the outside. So here are a few things you can do. Number one, paint or stain your front door. This is important because as buyers are walking up, if your front door has a lot of wear and tear on it, they will think the entire house has a lot of wear and tear. Buyers will read into everything they see. So take that off their list. Make it look as amazing as it can. Something else that will help is to power wash. So you'll want to power wash your entire outside. Painting goes a long way on the outside. So if power washing doesn't do the trick, I would suggest painting the exterior of your house. You can also power wash the sidewalks. As buyers are driving up, they want to see clear sidewalks. No weeds in between your sidewalks, just to make it all fresh and clean so they are walking up to a pristine home that looks to them that has been taken care of. Something else is to add a front door mat, something that's cheerful. I know some of those mats are super funny and I love them, where they say go away or you can only stay, a certain amount of time. Don't use those, but use something cheerful, maybe something with flowers, something colorful, not so crazy out there, but kind of something simple and cheerful that will welcome buyers into your home. Something else that you can do is to upgrade your mailbox. If you have a mailbox that's right in front of your home. If you're in a neighborhood that has the community mailboxes, obviously this one would not apply to you. But upgrading your mailbox, you can upgrade your numbers, your house numbers, do something trendy and fun so that they stand out. You can also add character to the front of your house with shutters. They can be DIY shutters that you create and attach to your house. Window boxes, if your house is able to do that. Some houses and the way the elevation is, that's not feasible. But if it is, that's another way to add color to your house. You can add potted plants right at your front door to add color, or along your sidewalk. And of course, exterior lighting. So the exterior lighting right by your front door is important. You'll want to use the daytime bulbs that are super bright, and also landscape lighting that will help showcase the landscaping that you have in the front yard. Obviously, you'll want to keep your yard stunning and mowed, well mulched. You want all your trees and shrubbery to be trimmed so that you can actually see your house. I have shown houses where we've pulled up and you couldn't even see the house because the tree in the front was so overgrown. So you want to make sure all of those things are taken care of so that their first impression when they see it is, wow, that's what you want when your new buyer pulls up to your house. If you have any other suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your suggestions on making houses curb appeal appealing. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.